Hey guys, today I will show you how you can leave a reviews on Savana app. So before we start, we need to understand. When it comes to leaving reviews on the Savana app, the process is pretty straightforward but also very specific. Reviews are only available once you've actually purchased an item. Here's how it works. After you place an order and it gets delivered right to your doorstep, Savana unlocks the option for you to leave feedback. At that point, you can go into your order history, tap on the product, and you'll see the Leave a Review button. This way, every review comes from someone who has genuinely bought and used the product. But here's the catch: if you haven't bought anything yet, you simply won't have the ability to leave a review. You might scroll through products and see reviews from others, but the option won't appear for you because Savana only allows verified buyers to post feedback. For example, in my own account right now, since I haven't made a purchase yet, I don't have access to the review option at all. It's locked until that first order arrives at my doorstep. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.